Sixth graders, this is to help you with question 3 on CR 29. It says, on Friday, a baseball team gave away free trading cards to each person entering the stadium. One group received 36 cards. Another group received 64 cards. If each person received the same number of cards, what is the greatest possible number of cards that each person could receive? Okay, so let's just take a look at 36. Let's take a look at the factors of 36. Like if there was one person in the group, they would receive 36 cards. If there was two people, a group of 2 people, they would each receive 18 cards. If there was a group of 3 people, they'd each receive 12 cards. If there was a group of 4 people, they'd each receive 9 cards. Group of 5 people, doesn't go into 36 nicely, can't be it. So then we're up to group of 6 people. They'd each receive 6 cards. Okay, so now let's see the factors of 64. I believe we're looking for the greatest common factor between these numbers. So if it was just a group of 1, they'd receive 64 cards. But that doesn't match any of those numbers up there. If there was a group of 2, they'd receive 32 cards apiece. I don't think 3 goes into 64, so we're skipping to 4. A group of 4, they'd each receive 16 cards. 5 doesn't go in nicely. 6 doesn't go in nicely. 7 doesn't. If there was a group of 8, they'd each receive 8 cards. 9 doesn't go in nicely. 10 doesn't go in nicely. So I think we're at the end of that. All right, so it looks like another group received 64 cards. If each person received the same number of cards, all right, so here the greatest that they have in common looks like 4. Each person received 4 cards. The first must have been a group of 9 people, each receiving 4 cards, and the next one must have been a group of 16 people coming through, and they each received 4 cards. All right, I hope that helps.